Stoichiometry is based on which of the following? The correct answer is B, the law of conservation of mass. And the law of conservation of mass states that matter is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction, and the total mass after the reaction is equal to the total mass before the reaction. What is true of the chemical reaction? The correct answer is B, because the coefficients 4, 3, and 2 represent the number of moles, not the number of atoms. Which of the following is not true of mole ratios? The correct answer is D, because the correct ratio is calculated from the formula n times n minus 1, not n minus 2. How many mole ratios can be written for the reaction? The answer is C, because by using the previous formula, the answer is C. In a chemical reaction, one reactant is completely consumed, the other is not. Which best describes the reactant that is completely consumed? The correct answer is B. It's the limiting reactant, which is completely used up first in the reaction. In a given chemical reaction, 1 mole of sulfur reacts with 4 mole of chlorine if 3.04 mole of chlorine and 2 mole of sulfur is available. What is true of the sulfur? The correct answer is B. Sulfur now is the excess reactant, because the balance equation ratio is 1 mole of sulfur reacts with 4 mole of chlorine, and for each 2 mole of sulfur you would need 8 mole of chlorine, and then you only have 3.04 mole of chlorine, which is not enough to react with all the sulfur, and then since chlorine is the limiting reactant, the sulfur is present in excess and therefore is the excess reactant. The calculated amount of product given an amount of reactant is known as which of the following? The answer is B, theoretical yield. The actual amount of product produced when a chemical reaction is carried out is known as which of the following? Of course, the answer is A, actual yield. Which of the following is true of percent yield? correct answer is D. Which of the following is most important in industrial processes that involve chemical reactions? The correct answer is D.